having fun! Today we're at Niagara Falls! Here we go. Boat tour.
I told you, there's an inside part too.
There's Maxie. Come here, buddy.
The kids are all a little nervous, but I am so excited. You're nervous. You're excited, but nervous.
She's excited,
the only
nervous.
one that's also excited. They just don't want to do it. I'm really excited.
I want to see the inside part.
All right, let's go then.
So let's head downstairs.
Head on down. Come on down.
Come on, I believe in you guys. We can do it.
You can do it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
You got some inside tips? Go ahead, buddy. Follow Mama.
Ponchos, guys.
Let's go get some ponchos. Here we go. Here we go to our ponchos.
See the falls peeking out back there.
I hate it.
Oh, buddy.
It's gonna be okay.
You're gonna love it. I know it.
No, I'm excited.
Where are you?
Here?
Wait, is your head on the other side?
No, it's
What's
here.
in there?
Hey, I just want to remind you guys to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And check this out.
Wait, see, what did you say?
There's a zip line over there. She's all excited. She said, I always wanted to do a zip line. And somehow this slow boat to Niagara Falls is too scary. Here we go.
Okay, it's a good footage.
Are you excited, Em? Not that I can see her face or anything. You could be smiling. You could be terrified. I have no idea.
Where am I? Oh, there I am. I had to turn my head around.
Here, your sunglasses match your poncho.
Ah.
The birds all dive in, like make it look even cooler.
Why is no one taking photos? That's our number one question.
I'm taking video.
Yeah, we're not photos.
Yeah, but I could take stills from the video.
Take
Yeah.
photos of this.
You okay? Alright, we're about to U-turn it seems. Look, it's like we're in a cloud.
Wow! That's amazing!
Yeah, look over there. Careful.
Pull it over.
Emma, look how much water is coming down. Is that cool, see?
Yeah.
Are you glad you did it? Look at see, she's happy now. Oh, we're turning around. Ready? Whoa!
Hold my hand!
Oh, what's that one? It says Journey Behind the Falls.
There, like there, I can't see.
Oh, hold on to him.
He won't hold my hand. Wow.
Are you glad you had a poncho? What does Max think? How's Emma? Emma, is it awesome?
Yeah!
Wow, look at the water rushing.
This is so cool!
Does anybody see any rainbows? Well, it's literally raining.
I don't see a rainbow.
Oh, we turning around?
fast?
Here, Em.
I can't hold it.
What do you think, man? Is
What
it
does
cool?
she think?
Is it cool? But you're a little afraid?
That's the best. Matt, you gotta see this.
This is so
Max, you
cool.
gotta look up, buddy. It's so cool.
I know, me too, honey. It's okay.
Isn't it so cool?
Is she okay?
She's cold.
Guys, I don't know if you can hear us anymore
Or even see with all the water.
or
on the
even
cat.
see us. I think my left shoe is starting to get wet. Yeah, let me try to help the lens out a little bit. But we're just hanging out in the falls right now. Like, it's just like, you know what? We gotta get a boat wash today. So we're gonna park by the falls, get a quick boat
It's
wash.
amazing though, like the power of this water.
Oh man,
it's incredible.
it like whips up this wind. And it's crazy. Like, you have no idea how much
like
water
you
is
can't even
falling.
see over there.
I know, it's so cool. Hold on guys, let's look. I'm gonna walk that way, try to get over the boat edge. Hold on guys, I'm coming. Are they okay?
They're okay.
How's Emma?
She's loving this. You kidding me?
Well, look now guys, we're turning. Emma, look at that, look that way. Oh my goodness. Whoa! I'm gonna blow away. Do you have our children? Hold them
I
safe.
got him.
Look at Emma. Everybody she was so excited.
And look behind you now.
Whoa.
Did it stop playing?
Wait, look behind you because the wind is going that way too. If you turn around, you'll see it better.
Yeah, we're out of the mist.
Face that way. Face that way. See, and now the wind's on your back.
That was the best.
It was the best. What'd you think, Mom?
It was amazing.
Was it worth it?
Amazing.
Guys, I don't know if you can hear us or see us anymore because I know it's really windy. But if you guys find your way up either in Canada or here in upstate New York, definitely check out Niagara Falls. So,
All I hear is poncho flapping. I don't even know what you're saying.
you can only hear poncho flapping?
Yeah.
Well, guys, can you hear me now?
I want to do that again.
Do it again. Wow.
I mean, it's like loud and misty and wet and bright and windy. It's like, that was so crazy. I loved that so much.
I'm a little cold from it.
My hands are cold. My hands are cold, but other than that, I'm fine. I loved that.
I rate this a 0 out of 10. I rate this
0.
10.
10 out of 10?
10.
0.
10. What about you, buddy? What do you think? No.
Snow.
All right, on to our next adventure.